Hello everyone and warm welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. We thank God for his mercy. So today I want to whiz through 3 recipes. Okay, so this is 3 in 1. You can do with your overripe plantain. I mean the black one. Yes, 3 recipes. So we're going to be making Kaklo plantain fritters. Then we'll make some Ofam, which is plantain cake, and then we'll make some Tatale, which we call plantain pancake. So, share. This is amazing. It's simple. It's the same base, but we tweak it here and there. So I'll go through it and then you know what I mean. These are very delicious and I know you will enjoy it. So join me. Let's do this together. Right, so obviously we need some plantain, overripe plantain, the black one, or if it's soft and you can, mash it as I'm going to be doing now, that'll be fine. So I'm using my Ayowa or a Potoyowa or a Sanka or earthenware bowl. That's what I'm using. You can use a chopper or a blender. You just pulse it so that it doesn't become too mushy. And I'm adding my 3-in-1 spice and then salt and then a little bit of pepper to make it hot. Right, my 3-in-1 spice already has pepper in it. Don't ask me for the recipe because I'm not going to give it. I'm sorry. It is a business recipe. I'm going to bring that out very soon. So hold on. It will come your way. So I've grated some ginger and then some onions in it. And then I'm going to mash it all together. This is going to be a rough mash. It has to be a rough mash. But then if you want it smoother, you can do that as well. You do whatever you want with your food as always. Okay, but I want it here and there. So once I get a consistency I want, I will taste it and then adjust the salt content. So yeah, this is where you can add your salt, or you can add it later once you add your flour. You can use gluten-free flour, or I'm using plain flour, right? So what I did is I used 2 tablespoons of flour to one whole plantain, right? So if I had 5 plantains, I'm using 10 tablespoons of flour. So what I did, I mixed everything together. I'm scooping some aside for the Ofam or the plantain cake, because for that one I have to add some peanut butter and then add some oil, red oil to it, palm oil to it. So that's the peanut butter here. I'm going to add that and add my red oil and mix it. That's how we make Ofam. That's the difference between Ofam and then Kaklo. Otherwise, they are all the same. It's just that you bake one and then you deep fry one. But with Ofam, you have to add the oil to it. And my camera didn't record me putting them in the tins. So it is ready. So this is of number 1 recipe done. I just pour them into these little tins. That's all. So yeah, if you didn't see it, if you didn't miss much, trust me. Okay. So the next one is to fry the pancakes. So I have this pancake frying pan or pancake maker. I bought it purposely for Tatale. Okay. The white man who made this, they made it for pancake, but me, I bought it for plantain pancake. Tatale. A pancake, so why not? So yeah, I'll scoop like a tablespoon and a little bit inside each of it and flatten it out, and then I fry it. A few minutes later, I'll just go in with my spatula, whatever it is called, and then I will turn it. So you see me trying to clear it a little bit because sometimes it gets stuck. So make sure you keep adding some oil, some red oil, that is. Yeah, so that it's easy. It doesn't stick. That thing is non-stick anyway, but still, sometimes non-stick, it can be funny. Okay, once you turn it, you need to add some oil to it so that it can fry on the other side. Otherwise, it will actually steam. I don't know if you get what I mean, because without the oil, it will just steam in a way. We want it fried. So you can just add a little bit of oil on the side to help it, as you see me do now. Yeah, to help it fry quickly. This is really good. It's so nice and soft. You get it with your bambara beans, papebia. You enjoy it. Okay, so that is the Tatale done. I just transferred it to the small burner so that it doesn't burn, because that one is 2 pounds. That burner, the weight is big. Okay, so now I'm very happy that it is nice and cooked. So I'm tossing it onto a plate and setting it aside. Number 2 done. Let's go and fry our Kaklo. That is our plantain fritters. Okay, so just scoop it into the hot oil, and then that is it. You wait till it browns nicely, and then your plantain fritters or kaklo is done. So it's the same mixture. One, I added groundnut paste or peanut butter and then red oil, mixed it and baked. The other, I fried. I didn't add anything, the same mixture without oil. I pan fried it, or I fried it in, you can do it in a frying pan actually. Yeah, just scoop little by little and fry pan. And this one, we are deep frying. So 3 different cooking techniques for almost the same mixture, the same recipe. So yeah, this is very good and very delicious. And look at it, it's amazing. You love it. It's delicious, right? So yeah, thank you all for joining me today, and I will see you in the very next one. Bye.